If you're searching for an honest eStage review, you're probably asking one simple question: what do I actually need to know before joining? With so many platforms promising to help businesses and creators grow online, it's important to understand what eStage offers and whether it fits your goals. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features, who it's designed for, and a few important things to consider before making a decision. Let's dive in and see if this digital hub is right for you. eStage is an all-in-one digital hub platform designed to bring multiple online business and community tools together. Instead of managing separate services for your website, audience engagement, marketing, and digital experiences, eStage aims to provide one connected ecosystem. The idea is to simplify the way creators, businesses, and organizations manage their online presence. It's about creating a centralized hub for your entire digital business infrastructure. One of the biggest reasons people look at eStage is the variety of tools available inside the platform. Members can manage projects and business details from a central dashboard. Genesis AI helps users build websites and digital assets more efficiently, automating much of the heavy lifting. Modules and members features support community building and audience engagement, keeping your followers connected. SEO settings, analytics, marketing tags, and autoresponders help organize and improve your communication and reach. Payment processing and integrations connect important business functions, making transactions seamless. While workspace management and dedicated cloud options add flexibility for growing projects and larger organizations. So, who is eStage designed for? It could be a good fit for entrepreneurs, creators, coaches, and educators. Nonprofits, community leaders, and businesses that want to centralize their digital activities will also find value here. If your goal is simply to create a basic website, you might not need every feature available. But if you're building a connected hub, eStage offers a broader approach. There are a few things worth knowing before you join. First, eStage is a feature-rich platform, which means there's a learning curve as you explore everything available and set up your workflows. Second, because it includes many connected tools, you'll want to spend some time deciding which features best fit your specific goals. And finally, eStage isn't about offering overnight success. The value comes from how you use the tools to build and engage. So, what's my overall impression? eStage offers a wide range of integrated tools designed to help users create and manage a digital hub from one platform. Its biggest strengths are the connected ecosystem, Genesis AI, audience management features, and business-focused tools. Whether it's the right fit for you depends on your goals and how you plan to build your online presence. If this review helped, please like and subscribe. For additional guides and resources, visit eStageexplained.com. Thanks for watching.